Hello everyone! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, and as you can see, nandito ulit tayo sa loob ng Baguio Botanical Garden kasi there is a new attraction here. Ito nga yung Christmas around the world wherein even at night, pwedeng-pwede nang mamasyal dito sa Botanical Garden as compared before na talagang after nighttime or pag dumilim na, halos wala nang pumapasyal dito. And since nandito nga tayo sa Botanical Garden, hindi natin papalagpasin na bisitahin yung ating cactus and succulent greenhouse here. So this one is the biggest greenhouse dito sa Baguio City. And the first thing that I noticed is that wala na yung rose cabbage at saka yung mga black prints na nandito before. So probably nalusaw sila during the rainy season. If you haven't watched yung pinaka first time na pagpunta natin dito, I will just include the link below so you can see the difference nung before and now. So ito yung mga parang planters dito sa labas ng greenhouse. So far, okay naman yung mga succulents na nandito. They are actually bigger now as compared to the last time we have visited this place. So we have mga neon breakers, topsy-turvy. So basically, mga common succulents yung mga nandito sa labas. We have itong mga succulents na nakatanim sa log planters, and I guess yung iba sa kanila ay sobrang laki na like what we have here. If we will try to compare it with my hand, ayan, mas malaki pa siya actually, pero yung ibang mga succulents na nakatanim dito originally is already missing. So probably nalusaw nga sila during the rainy season. And we have more succulents here. This is the biggest so far na succulent that we can see here sa labas na area. Of all the succulents na nakatanim dito sa mga log planters na ito, isa sa kanila is my favorite. And this one nga, yung ating Vicks plant. So, I think as far as I can remember, since day one until now, parang walang nagbago sa kanya. Mas naging lush lang siya. And maganda pala siyang tignan pag ganito siya ka-Laguna. So, going inside this succulent and cactus greenhouse, unahin muna natin itong kanilang mga succulents na nakatanim sa ground. This succulent is the mahogany rose. So, talagang they are big size na mga succulents. And nagtanim rin sila or naglagay na rin sila dito ng iba't ibang klaseng parang ornamental plants, if you can see that one. Kasi dati ito parang maliliit lang yung mga nakatanim dito na puro succulents lang. But as you can see, naglagay na rin sila dito ng mga ornamental plants. Probably siguro to fill in yung mga empty spaces. Ayan. So, what else do we have here? May mga succulents tayo dito sa pinakababa. So, these are probably some of the succulents na slow growers or hindi talaga sila big size na mga succulents. We also have this pencil cactus na nandito. And also pala, I have to mention na since gabi nga ngayon, hindi masyadong makita or hindi natin masyadong ma-appreciate yung natural colors ng ating mga succulents. And for me personally, I think mas magandang bumisita dito pag daytime kasi that's the time wherein we can finally appreciate yung kanilang natural color. So, sa ngayon kasi parang it's very dull, 'di ba? Yung colors nila since gabi nga. So, I think it's a botanical garden kaya it's best to visit the botanical garden pag umaga. But anyway, we have this crested topsy-turvy in here. Ayan, ganyan ang kanilang itsura. And more succulents. Next naman na ipapakita ko sa inyo is itong mga succulents and cactus na nandito nga sa parang shelves or plant rack na ito. And there's one thing that I have noticed, some of the succulents na nandito ay nag-ethiolate na sila or naging leggy na sila, probably because they are not really receiving enough sunlight kasi nga nasa shelves sila, diba? So hindi talaga sila fully exposed sa sunlight. And we have the cactus area. So sa cactus area wala ako masyadong nakitang difference. I cannot really say na lumaki na yung mga cactus na nandito. So probably they are slow growers as compared to our succulents, kaya hindi natin masyadong makita yung big difference nung first na nagpunta tayo dito versus now. We have more cactus na naka-display dito, and it actually reminds me of my cactus collection. Kasi yung mga cactus na nandito ay actually meron na tayo, it's just that hindi nga natin sila naalagaan mabuti in the past months. So this is actually my goal na kumbaga nasa isang pot lang sila, then they will have offsets and they will just keep on growing. And upon observation, yung ginamit nilang potting mix here is, ayan, this is a combination of alnos, rice hull, and pumice stones. And we have this one na pure alnos lang yung ginamit nila. So, yan. Syempre, nagbebenta tayo niyan, kaya I'm very familiar with how it looks. And dito nga, sa mga cactus na nakatanim sa ground area, ito talaga yung parang ang bilis ng kanilang progress. Kasi if I can remember, dati ang daming empty spaces dito, maliliit lang sila, pero right now parang I don't know, I cannot explain it well, pero nagsilakihan na yung mga cactus na nakatanim dyan. So I think they will grow faster pag sa ground talaga as compared pag nakatanim lang sila sa may pot. And of course, before we leave this greenhouse, I wanted to show you itong mga turtle vine na ito. So they are actually good na ground cover, except that kailangan talaga silang i-maintain, kasi if we won't just let them keep on growing and crawling, ang mangyayari is that tatabunan nila literally yung ibang succulents or cactus na nakatanim dyan. So as you can see, ayan, almost natabunan na yan, and probably may mga cactus or succulents na ngang natabunan itong ating turtle vine here. So I guess that's just a quick update inside the cactus and succulent greenhouse of the Baguio Botanical Garden. And actually medyo na-inspire ulit ako na i-continue yung pag-aalaga sa ating mga cactus and succulents this time around, kasi ayan o, ang gaganda and ang lalaki talaga ng mga naka-display na dito as compared nung first time na pumunta tayo dito. And so if you also happen to visit Baguio Botanical Garden at night, this is what you would expect. Ayan, so kumbaga 2-in-1 na, nakapasyal na kayo sa Christmas around the world, and at the same time syempre nabisita nyo rin yung cactus and succulent greenhouse ng Baguio. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.